Many homeowners struggle to protect their property without spending too much on expensive security systems. And as risks increase, relying on basic cameras often leads to blind spots and missed alerts. But there is a simple and far more affordable solution. In this video, viewers will discover the best affordable security camera for homeowners, offering true 360 degrees monitoring, smart detection, and reliable day and night protection. It's the perfect way to secure any home without breaking the budget. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on the list, DUREVIN IP Camera. The DUREVIN 8K8X Zoom IP camera is a professional-grade security solution for homes and businesses. Featuring 4 8-megapixel lenses, it delivers ultra-clear 8K video and supports an 85 degrees viewing angle. The 8X digital zoom allows users to focus on key details with precision, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this dome camera comes with an IP66 waterproof rating. Full-color night vision and a 30-meter IR distance make monitoring effective even in total darkness. Its AI motion detection accurately identifies human movement, reducing false alerts. The camera supports two-way audio, enabling instant communication. Multiple screens support face recognition, while the ICC app provides seamless monitoring on Android and iOS devices. With flexible storage options, including a 128GB TF card or cloud service, and both Wi-Fi and LAN connectivity, the DUREVIN 8K camera combines advanced technology, reliability, and high-performance surveillance for complete peace of mind. Second product on the list, Xiaomi MJSXJ08HL Dual Camera. The Xiaomi MJSXJ08HL Outdoor CW500 Dual Camera is a high-performance security solution for smart homes. Equipped with dual 4-megapixel lenses, it delivers crisp, high-definition video with exceptional clarity. The 2x optical zoom allows users to focus on specific areas, capturing important details with ease. Built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, the camera features an IP66 waterproof rating. Rain, heat, or cold won't affect its performance. Full-color night vision ensures clear images even in total darkness, providing reliable 24/7 security. The CW500 also integrates AI detection, accurately identifying movement and minimizing false alerts. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, video streams are smooth and stable, making monitoring seamless on smartphones or other smart devices. Compact and stylish, this dome camera is easy to install and blends well with any exterior. Xiaomi combines durability, intelligent features, and advanced imaging to deliver dependable outdoor protection. Third product on the list, XVIM Solar Security Camera. The XVIM 1150TYN2PK Solar Security Camera is a reliable solution for home and outdoor monitoring. This 2-pack system offers 4-megapixel high-definition video with a wide 120-degree viewing angle, ensuring large areas are covered efficiently. Its digital zoom provides up to 4x close-ups for more detailed surveillance. Equipped with advanced AI motion detection, the camera sends instant alerts to the MOES Pro app. Users can respond quickly to potential security events, full-color night vision, and a 12-meter IR distance. Ensure clear footage, even in low-light conditions, making night monitoring just as effective. The cameras feature two-way audio, allowing real-time communication. With a built-in 4800 mAh rechargeable battery and 5W solar panel, they remain powered without frequent recharging. Additionally, IP66 waterproofing ensures durability in harsh weather. Users can store footage on a 128GB TF card or cloud service, while flexible Wi-Fi connectivity and multi-device support make setup and monitoring seamless. This makes XVIM cameras a versatile and dependable choice for outdoor security. Fourth product on the list. Tuya Smart Dual Lens Security Camera. The Tuya Smart Dual Lens Security Camera stands out as a powerful outdoor protection device. It delivers a sharp 2.5K resolution with dual lenses, allowing a full 180-degree or wide view. Because of this, users can monitor larger spaces with fewer blind spots, making home and business security more reliable. Moreover, the camera includes AI human detection. This helps send accurate alerts only when real movement occurs. Its color night vision also keeps footage bright and clear, even in low-light conditions. With a built-in siren and two-way talk, it adds strong deterrence and quick communication. Additionally, it uses H.265 compression to ensure smooth streaming while saving bandwidth. The IP66 weatherproof design allows it to handle tough outdoor environments without worry. Finally, the camera supports the Smart Life app and connects through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. With flexible mounting options, it becomes an easy and effective security upgrade for any home. Fifth product on the list, MOES S26 Security Camera. The MOES S26 Smart Solar Security Camera is designed for users who want simple, smart, and reliable home protection. It features a clear 4-megapixel sensor, which delivers sharp video quality that helps capture important details. With its 2.8mm wide lens, it offers a broad viewing angle, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor monitoring. Moreover, the camera supports Wi-Fi 2.45 GHz dual-band connectivity. This ensures a strong and stable connection in different environments. It also works seamlessly with the Tuya app, Alexa, and Google Home, allowing easy voice control and quick access to live footage. Monitoring becomes effortless and convenient. The MOES S26 includes a powerful 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery supported by solar power. As a result, the camera can run wire-free for long periods. Additionally, the IP65 waterproof rating keeps it safe from rain and dust. With H.265 video compression, local alarms, and flexible installation, this camera becomes a dependable and affordable choice for anyone upgrading their home security system.